Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create perfect summer earrings using the newest Softlex company design kit, Fabulous Flamingo? And if this kit is still available, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description, as well as the current Softlex design kit and bead strand. So I am using beads that were either from the kit, from like the Jesse James bead mix, the Bedoria bead mix, or an exclusive item, this beautiful little flamingo charm. Perfect for these cute little simple earrings. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will link the tutorial playlist for Fabulous Flamingo Design Kit and all the creations I have made with the design kit. Let's start creating. So the first one, we're going to make these cute little summery hoop earrings, perfect for summer. They just remind me of the sun. And then this beautiful little cluster pearl was from the exclusive bead strand made by Jesse James Beads. So we're using the little bead cluster from that bead strand and then adding in some of the glass beads from the Bedoria bead mix. Our second earring, we just have a few beads from the Jesse James bead mix, and then this beautiful little flamingo. I'm not sure if I'm going to embellish it, maybe put some resin on it, or maybe do like some paints on it, but it is connected with the jump ring. So if I need to alter it in the future, I can just remove the jump ring and then edit it as needed. And then these beads were all from the Jesse James bead mix. I just thought they were super pretty. Just kind of like a little statement earring, but super lightweight for summer. We'll be using our Softlex wire that came in the kit, the beautiful turquoise color. So this is just basic bead stringing. And when I'm doing my bead stringing, I like to keep it on the spool of Softlex. It just kind of acts as a bead string. So we're just going to add on all of our beads. And just see the shimmer and the sparkle from those beads. And then we're going to add on our little bead caps and our little pearl. Sometimes they can be a little tricky because when you string them on, they want to go in crooked. And then we're just going to string on the last 4 of our beads. I'm just going to cut a good workable length. Usually you need about 4 to 5 inches for this style of earring. And then we're going to bring in our 2x2 and our earring finding. So we're just going to pick a side of Softlex wire, doesn't matter which one. And we're just going to add on our 2x2. On the opposite side, we're just going to do a crisscross. My favorite designs to create with. And then we're just going to give it a pull. On the shorter side, I'm going to hold on to that. That's kind of like the little tail. On the longer side of Softlex, we're going to pass back through our 2x2. For your Softlex 2x2s, it can hold 3 of the medium Softlex wire, and that's what we're using in our project. And it's okay if things kind of loosen up or make any adjustments as needed in just a moment. So once you have your 2 ends, you're just going to pull, and you want your 2x2 resting against the beads. And if you are struggling just to pull the Softlex through the 2x2, you can just use your round nose pliers. And then we're just going to take our pliers and just smash down our 2x2. And normally I'll round my 2x2 for a more professional finish, but just because the placement of the beads, you can just flatten your 2x2. We're going to take our other pliers and just trim off any extra Softlex wire. You just want to make sure that you're not trimming your loop. That's going to be your connection point for your ear wire. So we have our ear wire. We're just going to add that on for a little component and give it a close. And we have the first pair of our super sparkly and summery earrings using the Fabulous Flamingo design kit. Now we're going to work on our second earring. So first we're going to take our head pin and we're going to add on our little blue bead. We're going to go through the first hole in our little bead frame, and sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. We're just going to give it a pull. It just gives it like a little bit of an optical illusion. Now we're just going to be making our loops, and I will be using my tool, the one-step looper, and this is going to give me the perfect loop every time. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze. And we have our perfect loop. And then I'm just going to take my round nose pliers, slightly open my loop, and attach the eye pin. You could attach it to a jump ring. For this style, it's just easier to connect it to the eye pin. And then we're going to add this really sparkly, it almost looks like a full moon bead on top. Same thing with the one-step looper. Add it in and give it a squeeze. And then I'm just going to make sure that my loop is completely closed. We're going to bring in our ear wire. I love how fast that you can make earrings and embellishments with the one-step looper. And just like that, we have our second pair of earrings. Super fun, perfect for summer. Kind of are that statement piece without having the weight for the design. So we're going to need our flamingo charm, one jump ring, an ear wire, and then I'm using beads from the Jessie James bead mix, this little pink bead with the little daisy spacer that came in the mix. So for this one, we're going to do something a little different. We're just going to attach it to jump rings. So we're just going to take our looper again, slide our beads in, and then just make sure that every little connection point is nice and secure. We're going to attach it to our ear wire and give it a close. Kind of see how I started with the most complicated design first. And then we're just going to take our jump ring. When we open jump rings, we just twist side to side. We're going to attach our flamingo and then attach it to our eye pin. We're just going to close, and when you close a jump ring, you should hear a little click, and you'll know it's secure. And we have our beautiful, fabulous flamingo earrings. And then we have our little statement earrings. And another pair of earrings. And we have created 3 pairs of earrings using the newest Softflex Company design kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below which earring design was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out down below in the description for the tutorial playlist for more designs featuring this design kit, as well as a link to the products if they are still available or the current Softflex Company design kit. Have an awesome day.